Hello everyone, welcome to part 184 of advanced ecom series in Laravel 8. Okay, so we are going to continue working on the admins, subadmins, roles and permission. And in last video we able to see that we able to set the permissions for the admin, subadmin. We able to set the permission for the John view access for the John, and we have set the for Steve. We can set the all the access for Steve. We can do like this. Okay, let's see. Now I'm going to log in with the another browser here. Okay, so right now we have not added anything, so the subadmin can able to access all the features because we have not restricted him. Okay, so let's open the admin panel in another browser. So here I'm going to open with the Steve that John ID. See, John is having the access only view access for the categories. Let's see, John 1 2 3 4 5 6. We can log in with the email, so we need to check for the John email. John email is john@admin.com. john@admin.com. So I'm going to sign in with the John account. See, right now John able to access the categories. See, categories is restricted, so John able to access the categories. So I am going to do one thing here. I will give no access for the categories here, like this one. So now the here if the John will click on the categories, here restricted message must come and the John must redirect to the dashboard. Okay, so for that we are going to update the categories function in the categories model. I'm going to close all other files here. I will open the categories controller, category controller here, and here in this one I'm going to add here functionality here. Okay, so I'm going to set admin, subadmin permissions for categories. Okay, so here I'm going to take one variable category. First of all, I'm going to check whether this admin or subadmin is having any kind of permission or not. If the no permission is given, then this one will don't have any access. Okay, admin role where admin ID. So we are going to check the admin ID, John admin ID. When the admin will logged in, then we are checking it in guard. Okay, auth guard. So we are going to check it in auth guard admin. It's user ID. Okay, and module is categories. First of all, we are going to check the count. See, it means the see, we are going to look here. We are going to check the admin ID, that is 2, and we are going to check the module here, that is the categories module. Okay, so if the count comes, then we are going to get inside this one. Okay, dollar category count if equal to if it is equal to 0, then we are going to redirect the user back to the dashboard page. Okay, redirect to the dashboard page, admin dashboard, with the error message for the restricted access error message, else we are going to continue further. Okay, but here we are going to open the dashboard as well, admin dashboard. So I think we have given that restricted message earlier as well. Add edit with subadmin. So same kind of restrictor message we can give here as well. Okay, no issue. We can give the message again here. We are going to give here like dollar message. This feature is restricted for you. Like this. Okay, so here session flash, then we are going to set the error message, and this is the error message here. So let's see. So see here, we have already removed, I think, yeah, so we have already removed, there is no access for this one. So once the see, first I will go to dashboard, and once the user will try clicking on categories, yeah, okay, so we need to add so it's one thing, it's the admin's role, not the admin role. So we need to add the model as well, admin's role, like this. Okay, so see, once again I am going to categories, I am going to back here dashboard. So I am going to, John is trying to access the categories here. See, John will click on categories. Okay, another issue has come up. These things happen. See, use auth once again, sorry, not here, here. I'm going to refresh here. Now the error message is coming, this feature is restricted for you. Okay, see, John is trying to open the categories module, but this message is coming, this feature is restricted for you, because John have no access, no view access for the categories module. So that's why this error message is coming to the John. And once the administrator, super admin, or any other admin will give the view access privilege to the John, then John can able to access the categories. Now I'm going to check whether the John can able to access. Now you can see the John can able to access the categories now. Okay, now see, the John is having the view access, but John is still not having the edit and full access. So we need to remove the status and actions from the John account, so that John can't update these. So for that we need to pass a return that category, that module count that we are going to check in else condition. In else condition we are going to check for the John roles, whatever the John roles for the categories. Okay, so we are going to check category module here for the John, and here instead of count we are going to check with the first. Okay, so now this category module we are going to return. And but before that, if in case the John will try to edit something, then again the error message will come. Okay, so let's pass category module here, and now I'm going to open the categories .blade.php file. So here we are going to check the permission here, see, first of all I am going to check here see, we have the view access permission as 1, and edit access full access is 0. Okay, So we can open in one more browser, so we can have the permissions here. So I'm going to set here, like if the permission will come as view access, if there is no full access, and if there is no edit access, okay, then we are going to not to show that. Okay, so here we can add that of if it's in category module, dollar category module, edit access equal to 0. Okay, and okay, in case of edit we can even show it, and in case of full, now there are two things you can see here. Okay, see, this access is only possible, active inactive is possible in case of edit as well as in case of full as well. So either edit access is 1 or see full access. See, one of the access must be 1, either edit or full. Okay, so if either one of them is having access, then we can then that admin can able to update the status, otherwise it will not be shown. So let's check it here. See, now see, there is no access for the status because edit access is not there. Okay, so same thing we are going to do with the this edit button. Okay, so here also I'm going to give the same thing here, and edit of and if, and here I will give for delete is only possible if there is full access. Okay, so here, sorry, here we need to give the full access, here also full access. So here the condition is different, only if the permission is for the full access must be 1 to have that delete. Okay, so now check here. See, now see, the John is having only having the permission for view. Here you can see John is only having the permission for view, so John can only view the categories and no access for the active inactive. For making the categories active or inactive, John is having no access, and John is having no access for editing and deleting the categories as well. So now I'm going to give permission to John view and edit access. So I'm going to submit this one. Now let's see. Now John is having the edit access. John is can able to update the active inactive categories, but still John is having no delete access because John is having no full access. Full access means that John can able to edit and delete as well. Delete is will come in full access. Okay, once you will give the full access to the John, then John can able to delete the categories as well. Okay, so I hope it is clear. So if there is no access given to the John, submit. See, there is no access. Now John will refresh and see it will come, this one will come, this feature is restricted for you. So complete categories module access we have given to John. See, view edit, view edit and delete. Okay, so complete access we have given. So in the same way we can give this one to the other modules as well. See, I have given in one module. Now just the copy paste kind of thing. Okay, so now it will not take much time. Now you can easily do for the products controller. Let's open the products controller here, front end. See, I'm going to copy this one, the same permission set I'm going to copy. Now it is easier for us. In admin, products controller, in admin, and here I am going to open going to permission here. Okay, so I am going to set the permission for products module, set permissions for products module, and here like category, okay, product module count, products, and this product module we are going to return. Now we are going to open the products.blade.php file in admin, so like we have done for the categories. Now we will add the condition for the products as well. So first of all we will add the condition for active inactive status in the same way. In front of that status, like this one, and if, okay, so here we will give here product module, okay. So now we are going to set the permission, other permission here for the edit, add edit, and add image and edit. Okay, so for all we are going to give this permission, and if, and one final permission, see, we are going to give for the full access, this one for the full access. Okay, now going to change here category, sorry, done. So now we are going to check the permissions for the products. Okay, so let's now there is no permission set for the products. First of all we are going to, John is going to click on products, see, okay, so admin's role we need to add in products controller as well. Make sure that you will add admin role like we have added there, along with the use auth, okay, for the products controller as well. So let's add it. So now we can try. Okay, I'm going to refresh here as well, and see the John can't able to access the products as well, because John is having no access for the products, John is having no access for the categories, John is having no access for the products. Okay, once you will give the admin will give the view access for the products, admin or super admin, and will click submit, and then John can able to access the products module. But there is one more error has come. Okay, so let's see, call to member function to array on null. Okay, so we are going to check here, set admin subadmin permission for products controller, 37th line. So here see, we need to have here products, okay, like this. Now we are going to check once again, refresh this one, and now it is fine. John can able to access the products, but still there is no access for making the products active or inactive, and John can also not able to add do any of the other actions are not possible, editing the product, okay, add attributes and others. Okay, so that is possible only if the permission will be given. Okay, so we are going to give the view edit access permission for the products to John. So let's give this permission to the John as well, and refresh here, and now you can able to see the permissions given to the John for editing the for making the status active or inactive, or for editing the products as well. So we can give the full access to the John as well, and once you will give the full access, then John can able to bleed the products as well, along with the other features. Okay, so we have applied the conditions with the categories. Products both are now we can manage both admin and subadmin. Now we can have the permission for the coupons as well in the same way. So simple enough, you can open the coupon controller here, And in the same way, like we have set the permission in the products module, you can simply copy, but first of all copy this one, okay, for the coupons and for the orders as well, orders controller, okay. So wherever you want to use this feature, you need to copy this one, okay, so it will be easier for you. So for coupons, we are going to this one here, and here we need to make it coupon module, and anything else module is the coupon, that is fine. Okay, so now we can pass this one coupon module here. Now some changes we need to in coupons.plate.php file in the same way like we have done for the products module. Okay, first thing is this one, edit and full access for the status. Here is the status, edit and full access for the status, and other than status we need to give this CMSS for add edit, okay. And finally this access full access permission for delete. Now we can able to update this product coupon. Okay, so let's check now. See, now we will give the there is no permission for the coupon, and if the admin will try, see that subadmin will try, John will try, this feature is restricted for you. So let's give the view access to John, and now John able to access the coupon but no action, okay. And now view edit access for the John for the coupon. Now see, view edit access is coming, now full access coming for the John, and now see John can able to delete as well, okay. So in the same way we can do for the orders as well, okay. So order is in orders only view access is there, and for actions we can give the edit access, okay, and edit and delete will come in delete. There is nothing like delete. Once you will give the edit access, then it's fine, okay. So let's do for orders as well, orders controller, and now we are going to update this one. And like for the coupons controller we have given here, so this one we have already given, and now we will set the permission here for the orders. Let's do it, okay. So here for like we have done coupon orders module, okay, we can give it like this. Let's give it order module count, okay, orders, fine. And order module we can pass here, return here, and like we have done, we will now do for orders.plate.php file, and here so we are going to give the permission here like we have given this one over here, okay. So you can set the other permissions of your own, make some effort and do it, okay. So let's check for view. I'm going to check for, first of all, user can check order module, I have no access, okay. Now we will give the view access. So now John can able to view the order and see, but no actions are there. Now I will give here view edit access as well, edit access as well. Now John can able to have the actions as well. Okay, so in the same way you can set the permission for the other module as well. And if you having trouble in any of the thing, or you want that I will do for you for all the modules, if you want all the modules to be done, if you want the support from me, and if you want the code from me, then please join as a premium member to get the complete code of admin subadmin feature. Okay, so I will provide you the complete code along with the support. So you can simply join the channel as the premium member. You can just open this channel, youtube.com/stack developers. Okay, so I think stack developers is the common name. Okay, so very much common. You can open this channel anytime. Do subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed yet. Okay, so it's really important to subscribe the channel. Okay, so join the channel if you want to get the code. You can click here, join the channel and get the complete code. Okay, so see, not that much expensive to join the channel and get the complete code, and you will get much benefits. I will tell you briefly. Like, if you will join the channel, then you will have too many benefits. Okay, not one. See, you will get the basic e-commerce website code, and this is the website preview, like I've shown you the earlier as well. This complete website you will get. Okay, this is the basic e-commerce website, and the advanced e-commerce website you will get as well. This is the website that we are currently making. We are making everything online as well, and the this advanced e-commerce website that we are making right now, you will get this complete website as well. Along with that, you will get the dating website as well. Along with that, you will get the jQuery code as well. Okay, and you will get the invitation for the live session, and you will also get the other Laravel projects. And see, you will also get one more thing. You will get the Laravel APIs as well that we are currently working on. So you will have too much benefit of joining the stack developer channel. So do join, do open the stack developer channel. Okay, and after click on join, and then you can simply join the channel. Okay, premium, as a premium stack developer. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.